Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your trading plan with JPMorgan Chase, beginner guide step by step clearly. To optimize your trading plan with JPMorgan Chase, start by understanding your financial goals. Identify your risk tolerance to determine how much capital you can allocate to trading. Open a trading account with JPMorgan Chase if you haven't already. Familiarize yourself with the user interface of their trading platform. Conduct thorough research on market trends relevant to your trading strategy. Utilize JPMorgan Chase's analytical tools to assess potential investment opportunities. Set realistic and measurable performance goals based on your research. Incorporate technical analysis to help identify entry and exit points for trades. Review your trading history to understand what worked and what didn't. Refine your trading strategy based on your performance insights. Establish a routine for monitoring market conditions and adjusting your plan accordingly. Seek educational resources provided by JPMorgan Chase to enhance your trading knowledge. Utilize their market insights and expert analysis to stay informed. Make use of stop-loss orders to manage your risk effectively. Regularly review your trading plan to ensure it aligns with your evolving financial goals. Stay disciplined and stick to your trading plan, avoiding emotional decisions. Continuously educate yourself on market changes and new trading strategies. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to optimizing your trading plan with JPMorgan Chase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.